Before starting the video, you can download this lesson on the description below. Angle X plus angle Y is equal to 360 degrees. And we need to give reasons. And the reason is angles at a point add up to 360 degrees. Or angles of revolution add up to 360 degrees. Example. So we know that X plus 190 equal to 360. And the reason is angles at a point add up to 360 degrees. So to find X, we need to minus 190 on this side here to get rid of this. And then we minus 190 on this side as well. So 300 minus 190 is 110 at 60. So 170. So therefore, X is equal to 170. Second example. So this symbol here is equal to 90 degrees. So we know that X plus 90 is equal to 360. And do not forget to give reason as well. So the rule is angles at a point add up to 360 degrees. To find Y, so we minus 90 to get rid of it, and to minus 90 as well. So 300 minus 90 is 210, and you add 60, so 270. So therefore, X is 270. Now, this one here. So we know that this angle, add these angles, and add this is equal to 360. So X plus 255 is equal to 360. The reason is angles at a point add up to 360 degrees. So we collect like term. So X plus X is 2X. So 2X plus 225 is equal to 360. So we minus 225 minus 225. So 360 minus 220, 135. So 2x is equal to 135. So we divide this by 2. We divide this by 2. So cancel out. So 2 go to 13 is 6 times, remainder 1. So 2 go to 15 is 7 times, remainder 1. So 1.5. So therefore, x is equal to 67.5. So this question here, we know that this x plus another x and plus this angle, x plus 22, and add this is equal to 360. And the reason is angles at a point add up to 360 degrees. So now we just collect like term. So x plus another x is 2x. Add another x is 3x. So we know that 3x, we add 22 to 188. So 188 at 22. So that give me 10. Put a 0 down, carry 1, so 11. Carry 1, so 210. So 3x at 210 is equal to 360. So now we just get rid of the 210. So by minus 210 on the left, minus 210 on the right. So this cancel out. So leave with 3x is equal to 150. So 3x is equal to 150. Then we divide this by 3. Divide this by 3. So 3 go to 15 is equal to 5. And this 0, we just write this down. So therefore, x is equal to 50. Now, if you need practice on solving equation, please go to my descriptions and click on the link below. Please stop the video and try this one yourself. First one. So we know that x at 170 at 130 is equal to 360. And the reason is angle at a point add up to 360. So now we just collect like term by adding these together. So 130 at 170 is equal to 300. So therefore x plus 300 is equal to 360. So we get rid of this 300 by minusing it and minus this 300. So that cancel out. So which is 360 minus 300 is equal to 60 degrees. We need to get rid of this 300 by doing opposite of that. So which is minus 300. So we need to minus 300 on this side as well, of course. So this cancel out. So 360 minus 300 is 60. So therefore, x is equal to 60. Second one. So we know that y at 34 at 90, because this symbol here is 90, at 42 is equal to 360. And the reason is angles at a point add up to 360. So now we just collect like term. So 34 at 42 is 76. And 70 at 90 is 160. So 166 altogether. So y plus 166 is equal to 36. To solve for y, we minus 166. We minus 166. So therefore, y is equal to 194. Now, question number 3. So we know this angle here all add up to 360. And the reason is angles at a point add up to 360 degrees. So 3x at another x is 4x. At another x is 5x. And then at another x is 6x. So therefore 6x is equal to 360. To solve for x, we divide this by 6 and then we divide this by 6. So this cancel out. So which is 6 go to 36 is 6 times, and then the 0 we just write it down. So therefore x is equal to 60. Last question. So what we can do is this angle at this angle, at this angle, at this together is 360. So I just add this angle first is equal to 360. The reason is angles at a point add up to 360. So collecting like term now, we have 1y at another y is 2y. 15 at 214, which is 229. So 2y plus 229 is equal to 360. To solve for y, step number 1, we need to minus 229 first. Then we minus 229 on this side. 360 minus 230 is 130. And you add 1, so which is 131. So 2y is equal to 131. So what we do next is we need to divide this by 2. And we divide this by 2. So 2 go to 13 is 6 times. Remainder 1. 2 go to 11 is 5 times. Remainder 1. So 1 over 2. So 65.5 if you like. So therefore, y is equal to 65.5. Thank you so much for watching.